morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you? And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Well, students, before we start our lesson today, we have to pray to God. So, please, one of the students lead us pray.
Before we study, let's pray together.
Well, so Ketua kelas, is there anyone absent today?
There are 4 students who are absent today. They are Aquenza, Julian, Terry, and Lovely. Aquenza, Terry, and Lovely are absent because of personal matter. And about Julian, he was sick, so he cannot present today.
Okay, thank you. Well, students, so for today, we will start our lesson, English, yeah. So, why do we learn about English? Because English is an international language. Okay, good. Jadi karena bahasa Inggris adalah bahasa internasional, so you have to master it besides you master about technology. Ya. Jadi if you can master English, you can get a better job in the future, and then after that, if you go to the abroad, you can speak to the strangers, something like that. Ya. Jadi kalian saat ke luar negeri itu kalian akan berani berbicara kepada orang asing, ya orang luar. Oke, jadi belajar bahasa Inggris, learn about English, you can start from the little things. Ya, jadi dari hal-hal kecil dulu kalian mulai mempelajari tentang bahasa Inggris. Well, sebelum kita masuk ke materinya, ya, kita akan sedikit game sebentar saja ya. This is about spelling game. Oke, spelling game. Kalau spelling game, kan yakin semuanya pasti waktu SD sudah ini ya, hafal semua pasti A sampai Z dalam bahasa Inggris, ya kan? Pasti. Nah, jadi untuk mengingat lagi, so ma'am will let you to do spelling game. Okay, so the first one, how do you spell whiteboard?
W, H, I, D, O, A.
Okay, very good. So that is whiteboard. Okay, and then the second, how do you spell cupboard?
C, U,
H,
R,
Okay, very good. And then whiteboard sudah ya, cupboard sudah. So how do you spell pencil case? E, S, E. Okay, very good. Jadi tadi ada apa saja kata-katanya yang dispellingkan? Whiteboard, pencil case. Oke. Nah, jadi itu tadi kira-kira nama benda apa itu? Lemari, sama pensil. Oke, itu adalah benda yang di kelas. Things in the classroom. Okay, so today we will learn about things in the classroom. So I want you to see these pictures, yeah, about things in the classroom. So look at this picture. So for the first picture, what is it?
Classroom.
Okay, good. Classroom. On the classroom, can you mention the things in the classroom? Based on the picture, ada apa saja di situ?
Blackboard.
Blackboard,
Cupboard.
cupboard, chair, table, window, clock, apa lagi? Bed. Oke. Apa? Color pencil ya, color pencil yang di situ ya. Terus itu ada bag ya. So those are the pictures of classroom. Ya, on the classroom you can find many things. Ya, di kelas itu ada banyak hal. Selain itu di bawahnya itu kan ada bag and then color pencils as you say. Ya. So are those things around you? Ada di sekitar kalian nggak? Ya, ada ya, pastinya ada. Of course, in the classroom or in this room, in this media room, you can find that things. Okay, and then how do you say if you want to ask about the amount? Gimana caranya kalau kamu mau menanyakan tentang jumlah benda? Pakai apa? Pakai how many? Ya, pakai how many ya, karena how many itu untuk menanyakan jumlah. Oke, good. Nah sekarang Mem akan bagikan materi tentang things in the classroom ya, supaya ini jadi supaya kalian bisa belajar gitu. So that's the materials about things in the classroom. You can read, you can learn from the material things, okay? And then right now, we go to the next slide. This is about definition of things in the classroom. Yeah? So you can see based on the slide, things in the classroom are parts of classroom objects vocabulary beside the educational equipment. Yeah. So this can include stationary equipment, teaching materials, and other school supplies. Nah, jadi things in the classroom itu ya adalah bagian di dalam kelas, benda-benda yang ada di kelas, dan itu juga membantu kalian dalam proses belajar. Ya. Bayangkan kalau misalkan tidak ada meja. Can you imagine you study without desk? Can you imagine? No. And how about you study without chairs? Bagaimana kalau tidak ada kursi? Is it difficult, right? Ya, akan jadi sulit. So, things in the classroom help you when you study in the classroom. Membantu proses belajar. So that's things in the classroom. And then we go to the next slide. Okay, so you can see on this slide that there are some things in the classrooms. There are many things on the classroom ya. Nah ini kita akan ucapkan bersama-sama ya. Oke. Jadi on the left ini adalah first picture ya. Yang di sebelah kanan atas itu second picture, and then di bawahnya itu adalah third picture. Oke, kita mulai dari yang first picture. 1, 2, 3. A pencil, a pen, a rubber, paper, a notebook, a folder, scissors, books, a pen, a clock, a board, a pencil sharpener, a desk, a chair, a ruler, a pencil case, crayons, glue, a table, a and eraser. And then go to the second slide. Flag, desk, chair, blackboard, notebook, book, cupboard, paper, pencil, pen, marker, chalk, cloth, cupboard, paper, eraser, pencil case, whiteboard, blackboard eraser, glue, scissors, classroom, broom, dustpan, dustbin, desk calendar, school uniform, crayon, ruler. Itu ada yang terpotong gitu ya. And then go to the third picture. A book, a teacher, a board, scissors, a rubber, a pencil, a desk, a chair, a ruler, a computer, a pencil case, a pen, a school bag. Very good. Okay, so I have a question for you based on this picture. Can you see chalk on the second picture? Chalk. Chalk. Yeah. What is it? Kapur. So have you ever used chalk? Yeah. No. Never. How about when you were in the elementary school? Have you used it? Pernah. Oke, ada yang pernah, ada yang tidak. Kalau zaman memang dulu itu, kalau zaman SD itu masih pakai kapur, dulu masih blackboard. Ya, whiteboard itu waktu zaman SMP baru pakai whiteboard zamannya gitu. Oke, so that's it. And then go to the next slide. Social function. Nah, jadi the social function of this material is to know about the names of things in the classroom and inform about its amount. Nah, jadi kenapa sih kalian mempelajari ini? Yang pertama adalah you have to know about the names of things in the classroom in English. Ya, jadi ketika kalian belajar bahasa Inggris dari hal yang sederhana seperti nama benda-benda di kelas, otomatis kalian harus tahu the names of things in the classroom in English. Ya, of course. Setelah kalian tahu namanya, and then we go about how to inform about its amount. Bagaimana sih kalian menginformasikan tentang jumlah benda? Bagaimana sih kalau mau bertanya tentang jumlah benda tersebut? Bagaimana kalau kalian mau bertanya tentang nama bendanya? Cara memberitahunya bagaimana? Paham? Nah, so that's why you learn about this, because you have to know about asking and giving information about things in the classroom. Okay, so let's see for A. Itu questionnya adalah apa itu? Bisa dibaca? Iya, what are these? Rulers. What are these? These are two rulers. Perhatikan, what are these? Jadi ada this, ada that. Kalau this artinya apa? Ini pasti. This artinya ini. Kalau that ada. Ayo, kalau that artinya apa? That itu ya. Jadi kalau this artinya ini, kalau that artinya itu. Nah, perhatikan this sama this beda nggak? Sebenarnya sama, artinya sama-sama ini, ya. Tapi kalau this itu untuk benda yang jumlahnya cuma satu. Misalkan pakai days are. Ya, paham? Dan juga misalkan kalau tasnya cuma satu apa? This is a bag. Kalau tasnya dua,
There are
okay, good. These are two bags. Okay, very good. Nah, perhatikan. Tadi itu kan yang ini. Kalau what is that? What is that artinya apa? What is that?
apa itu?
Ya, apa itu? Kalau what is that, dan itu untuk benda yang jumlahnya cuma satu dan jauh gitu ya. Tapi kalau misalkan bendanya lebih dari satu, menjadi those. Those. What are those? Those are chairs. Ya, what is that? Kalau bendanya satu. Kalau bendanya banyak, what are those? Those, ingat. That itu untuk benda yang jauh, this untuk benda yang dekat. Paham? This itu kan ini, berarti kan dia bendanya dekat dengan kita. Kalau itu berarti bendanya jauh. Kalau itu bahasa Inggrisnya adalah that. Kalau jamak menjadi those. Oke, paham? Oke. Nah, sekarang untuk yang A itu bagaimana kalau kalian bertanya tentang benda? Ya. Lalu yang kedua yang B, coba kita baca sama-sama. How many trash cans are there? There are 7 trash cans. Ya, jadi artinya apa itu?
Berapa banyak?
Iya, ada berapa tempat sampah? How many trash cans are there? There are 7 trash cans. Jadi perhatikan ada kata there are di situ. There are itu artinya ada, ya, tapi untuk benda yang banyak. Kalau bendanya satu memakai there is. Kalau tempat sampahnya satu gimana? There is one trash can atau there is a trash can. Kalau banyak menjadi there are. Okay, good. So do you have any question? No. Paham sampai sini? Okay, lanjut lagi, kita go to the next slide. You can see the examples, ya. How to ask about the names of the things in the classroom and about its amount. You can see the example here. Okay, this is about asking and giving information about things in the classroom. For A to C, who wants to read this one? Who wants to read this one? Okay, Jeremy, can you stand up, please? Okay, can you read?
It is your book.
Okay.
Yes, it is. No, it is not.
Okay.
What is this?
What is this?
This. This is a pen.
Hmm?
What is that? That is a whiteboard.
Okay, good. Thank you. Nah, jadi perhatikan for the first question. Is it your book? Apakah itu bukumu? Jawabannya antara yes or no. Ya. And then for the second, what is this? Nah, ini yang menjelaskan tadi. What is this? Apa ini? Kalau bendanya satu. What is this? This is a pen. What is that?
That is a whiteboard.
Ya, pakai that karena bendanya cuma satu. And then D to F, silahkan. D to F, who wants to read this one? D to F. Okay, Cahaya, stand up please.
What are there? These are color pencil.
Okay, good. And then,
What are those? Those are bags.
okay,
How
good.
many board is there? There is one board.
Okay,
How many tables are there? There are 6 tables.
okay, very good. Nah, perhatikan yang D. Apa bedanya yang pertanyaan D dengan yang B? This sama days-nya. Tadi dia bilang apa? Kalau yang D, bendanya jumlahnya berapa itu? Satu. Kalau yang D, banyak kan? Nah, perhatikan this sama days ini cuma bedanya this untuk benda yang satu. Kalau yang D, days untuk benda yang jumlahnya Nah, sekarang yang I. What are those? Ada those. Nah, ini dia sama dengan yang what is that? Cuma bedanya lagi adalah di jumlah apa? Ayo, di jumlah apa? Apa? Jumlah apa? Bendanya. Iya. Ingat ya. Nah, lalu sekarang yang F. Yang F itu dia menanyakan tentang apa, F itu?
Berapa banyak makan kamu?
Ya. Berapa?
Banyak.
Berapa banyak jumlah bendanya? Oke, yang ini adalah contoh ya. Contoh. Jadi kalau kalian mau menanyakan benda itu, kalimatnya begini. Ya, kalau dia banyak, pak gimana? Kalau dia bendanya satu, pakai apa? Begitu ya. Nah, lanjut lagi. Go to the next slide. This is the example dialogues about things in the classroom. So for number 1, who wants to read this one? Okay, Azhar, stand up please.
What is that, Nina? That is a cupboard. How many cupboards do we have in here? We have only one cupboard.
Okay, very good. And then number 2, who wants to read this one? Okay, good. David, stand up please.
Dodo, what are those?
Those are.
Those are my pencils. Wow, you have so many pencils. How many pencils do you have? I have 10 pencils.
Okay, very good. And then the last one, who wants to read this one? Okay, Anika.
What is this, Chloe? This is my pencil case. And this is my new pencil case. It is so cool. How many pencil cases do you have? I have 3 pencil cases.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Asa, Devin, and Anika. And then we go to the next slide. Okay, so students, right now I will show you a video. Yeah, so this video will shows you about some things in the classroom and also the examples. Yeah, the question about how if you want to ask about the amount of things in the classroom. So you can see. Pencils. Bisa ikuti ya nanti ya. Pencil case, eraser, notebook, ruler, pencil sharpener, pen, crayon, school bag, table, board, desk, chair. Nah, ini kalau bagaimana bertanya ya, how many ya? How many pencils? How many books? Two books. There are two books. There are 2 books. How many rulers? There is one ruler. Kalau dia jamak ruler, rulers. Pencils. Okay, so that is the video. Yeah, you already see or watch about kinds of things in the classroom and also how to ask about the amount of things in the classroom. Yeah. So maybe do you have any question? No. Okay, so if you don't have any question right now, we go to the next. Okay, so this is the time for you. Ya, Mem sudah bagikan kelompoknya. Silahkan gabung ke kelompoknya dan Mem akan membagikan LKPD ya. Students worksheet, silahkan gabung ke kelompoknya masing-masing. Membentuk ini kursinya seperti berdiskusi. Ya, well students, Mem sudah bagikan. Nah sekarang di kelompoknya masing-masing, silahkan diskusikan siapa ketua kelompoknya dan ketua kelompok Well, students, have you finished? Okay. Well, students, have you finished? Have you finished? Yes? Okay, semuanya sudah selesai ya? Okay, so if you already finished, so let's see for activity 1. Yeah? For activity 1, you can see that this is a picture. Yeah? This is a picture. So you have to describe some things based on this picture. So for this activity 1, I want us from group 6, yeah? Group 6, so you can give your answers about number 1, please. Jeremy, can you stand up?
There is in this picture, there is one door. There is one clock.
Okay.
There are 4 chairs. There are 2 desks. There are 10. One is closed.
Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, group 6. And then for the second activity, Azza, please.
Think in my classroom, 1 clock, Mom, 1. There is 1 clock in my classroom. 2 cupboards, among 6. There are 6 cupboards in my classroom. 3 whiteboard, among 1. There is 1 whiteboard in my classroom.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Azza from group 4. And then for the next activity, Fatir, please, from group 3.
1 pencil case, 2 sharpener,
Okay.
8 chair, 4 decks, 5 scissors.
Okay, very good. And then for the next activity, to match the pictures, yeah, number 1 to 3, please. From group 1, Adonia. Okay, number 1, please.
Number 1, 2 bags. Number 2, a group. Number 3, 3 trash cans.
Okay, very good. And then 4 to 6. Okay, Cahaya, group 2, please. Okay. Okay, 6 rulers. Okay, students. And right now we go to the next activity. This is about arrange the words. Number 1, what is that?
What is this, Dina?
Yeah, what is this, Dina? Number 2?
I have 3 bags.
Okay, I have 3 bags. Number 3?
Are my rulers.
Okay, number 4?
How many sharp has do you have?
Okay, number 5?
I have 2 razors in my bag.
Okay, very good. And then about the dialogues that you already made, yeah. So for the first presenter, please, from Fanya and Kesia, yeah. Okay, can you go in front of the classroom? And then be ready for the next, yeah. Devin and Aina. Okay.
What are these? These are my books. How many do you have? I have 3 books.
Okay, very good. And then for the next presenter, thank you, Fanya and Kesia. And then for the next, Devin and Aina. Okay. Di sini ya, di sini ada. Sini, Aina sini. Menghadap Aina. Ya, silakan. Berhadapan. Ya.
What are those things?
Those are things our legs.
How many days do we have?
We have 10 legs.
Okay, thank you. You may sit down. Thank you, Devin and Aina. Well, so students, you already see about your first performance. So, anyone can give the comment about their performance, please? Okay, Elsa.
They look good when they speak English and they brave when asked the question.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Elsa. And then, how about the conclusion? Anyone can give the conclusion about our study? Okay, very good. Thank you, Michael. And then right now, I will give you evaluation. Yeah. Okay, you can do your evaluation right now. Don't forget to write your names and your class. right now you can collect your evaluation to your leader. Kumpulkan ke ketuanya, ya. Kumpulkan dulu ke ketuanya, nanti ketuanya kumpulkan ke MEM. Oke, silakan dikumpulkan ke ketuanya masing-masing. Silakan langsung dikumpul saja ke ketuanya, nanti ketuanya kasih ya. Oke ya. Oke, students. For our lesson today, what did we get? Apa kira-kira yang kalian dapatkan hari ini? Kita belajar tentang apa?
Things in the classroom.
Yeah, things in the classroom. So you already know about names of things in the classroom. How ask about asking and giving information, ya. Especially about names and also about the amount, right? Okay. So students, I appreciate about your participation today, yeah. So you already be active and you already know, you be confident to answer and then perform in front of the class about your assignment for today. So maybe do you have any questions so far, students? Do you have any question?
No.
No? Okay, so if you don't have any question, I think it's enough for today, yeah. So thank you for your attention, yeah, and see you on